guys, welcome back to our channel. We haven't posted in a while, but now we finally got another trip so we can report to you. This time we selected to come to Dominican Republic, Puerto Plata. It's the north-south of the Dominican Republic, and it's a famous port where all the cruise ships stop. So we're here in Iberostar Waves, Costa Dorada, and we would like to show you the room that we stay in it. So as you can see, I'm sitting on the balcony here, and you can look at our view here, that what we see from the balcony. We overlooking this really nice trees and really nice area to relax, sit down, drink your coffee or your champagne or whatever you drink. This is our room. Once you enter the room from the door, you have a bathroom, you have a closet, and we have this king-size bed. We have some stuff to store our clothes and everything, and this time we decided that one room is not enough for us anymore because we have a 14-year-old daughter and almost 8-year-old son. So we decided to have two connecting family rooms to give us more privacy, and this room has 2 double beds, so it's enough for maybe even 2 people can sleep here. It also comes with a little couch, and actually if you need to, you will be able to use it as one more bed. It's pretty soft. You take the pillows off and you can put your sheets here, and one more person can sleep. You can tell like the furniture is a little bit maybe scratched, outdated, but I actually very like the style of this room. I just wanted to also show you what comes in the bathroom. We have some towels here that is enough for a lot of people, and then in here you got your shampoo, conditioner, soap, so you don't have to bring any of that. Also in here you get your hand soap and lotion, so you don't even need to bring lotion unless you use some specific products. Tissues, enough towels. There is a hair dryer here. And the shower is also, I like it a lot because you can use a big shower right here for the main shower, but then once you come back, let's say from the beach, you just rinse yourself with that really quick. The coffee makers right here, we used it works. They give you enough coffee here, some teas, and also we have a mini fridge. So we got here some beers, juices. I think they had like orange juice, this time is piña, pineapple, then there is Sprite Coke, and this is something new they just put today, chocolate. Excellent. Oh yeah, so this is all-inclusive resort, and we have a lot of food. The food is pretty much here all day. You can eat. They have certain hours for lunch, breakfast, dinner, but you can eat anytime. And just now somebody knocked on our door and brought us this champagne brut. That's very nice. Yeah, and once we arrived, they brought us on a golf cart here with all our bags, so we didn't have to carry anything. Our room where we are right now is located very close to the pool and close to the kids club. I think because this resort is a little older, the trees are really tall and you have so much shade. The whole beach is full of trees and you can just find shade really easily here. So you don't have to struggle with like being under the sun all day. Once you come in the room, you're gonna see this bottle in here. This resort is like super green, so they don't use any plastics or anything like that. So they leave you these bottles and you fill them up. Let's go, I show you. So you put your bottle here and you just fill it up. Fill it up with cold water. You just keep it in your room because anywhere you go here, there's so many bars, restaurants, you can get water anywhere. Doesn't taste like Clorox. Here you go. Now we're gonna take it back. Here we grow aloe vera for the spa treatments. Oh yeah, look at this. This is aloe vera. We enter in botanical garden. Orchids. Yeah, I can see there's orchids here. So I just closed my eyes and I like hearing all these noises, tropical noises. This could be a good sound for the sleeping machine. They have those machines with different sounds. Those birds over there, the water. Here you can see it's so peaceful. Not a lot of people come here. So if you want to have some alone time, and enjoy the nature. This is the place to come. Orchids grow on the trees. That's interesting how they planted them in those, I don't know, is it a sack? Is it like a, I don't know how they did that, but that's really cool. So today we're trying to have dinner in the restaurant, La Hacienda, one of the restaurants in this resort. You have to have a reservation for that. So as soon as you arrive, try to make the reservations because everything is booked up. So you need to make sure you have it in advance. Oh, it's good, but it's not ceviche. It doesn't have lemon. There's a little bit of lemon.
Yeah.
Hi, we just finished our food in La Hacienda and we did not like the food. We need to flush it down with some strong coffee now. The pork taste, I mean, we knew we were ordering pork because there's only pork options pretty much. But it was so strong, the flavor was so strong. They don't really fry the meat well. It's kind of like good guacamole on everything.
So what do you think about it? Well, we haven't got nothing.
I ate all the olives. Oh, look at this. I left one.
Here you go, guys. We got our drinks. What did you get, baby?
I got martini because I already had it before today, so I don't want to mix.
And what is this that I have?
Aperol Spritz.
Yeah, Aperol Spritz. Cheers. Those got his appetizer. Garlic bread.
Caprese salad.
Caprese salad. Doja, what happened? What is that, dude?
Pepperoni pizza.
Wow.
It's so good.
Man, that's a personal size, just for you. Spaghetti linguinis.
Those little pieces hammered.
Wow.
Risotto with the salmon this big. It's like 2 slices here. So here is a spa area. In here you can have you can get many services such as massage, manicure, pedicure, even your hair done. There's different, there's a whole list of procedures they do here. You have to pay for that. It's kind of, the prices are, I say, kind of like same as US. Of course, they cannot be lower because it's resort. But you know, there's some deals, like if you combine this and that, you can get it cheaper, so you can actually come and check it out. I know massage, I think 50-minute massage is like $110. So in here you can actually get to the gym from the spa. I kind of wish this was jacuzzi, but it's not. Book a massage, 50-minute massage, you can get a jacuzzi session. And this is the gym. Guys, look at this design here. This is so beautiful. Look at the little things right here. So when it rains, the water goes to. Even the rocks are like lined up in some kind of design. Look how beautiful. We can take nice pictures here. We just need to make sure the yellow cones are not on the way. And look at this, even here. It's a restaurant, Hacienda. And then from here you have a way to the lobby. Let's go look at the bridge. Look, I love the combination of color with this. It's just beautiful. This little pond here. Here's where you take pictures, guys. Look. This is the main theater where all the shows are. La Plaza. Get some drinks and relax here.
Colada? Yeah. Vanessa, how was the game?
It was fun.
The menu for the drinks. Look, guys, this is the cocktails. Okay, and Bahama Mama right here.
Oh, yeah, they have it.
Can we get, please, daiquiri? And can I get, which one I was looking? Miami Vice?
Right.
Uh-huh, thank you. We decided to explore this area because they have a lot of excursions here. Because previously we went to Punta Cana, which is a little different vibe. But the beaches are better in Punta Cana.
Oh yeah, definitely.
When we went to Punta Cana, we didn't get lucky. We went in the year where it was a lot of seaweed. So
Yeah.
our hotel's beach was packed with seaweed. But here we have access to the beach. It's really nice. It's turquoise water. It's very relaxing, amazing.
And the kids are liking it so far. They do have a kids club. They in there right now. That's why me and Tanya can have some time alone. But yeah, they enjoying the pools, the beach. The beach is nice.
Here, they
yeah.
give you a bracelet, of course, and this bracelet is also a key for the room. So you don't have to worry about carrying all those cards with you, which is really cool. They also gave this type of key for our daughter, which is 14.